is the Vision Pro software system, the best solution for collaborative compliance management in the world. Vision Pro is a single cloud-based platform to handle your entire document library repository, assets and audits data, and maintenance scheduling. Every aspect compliance management in one place. Traditional compliance generates reports. Fire, water, gas, asbestos. Every aspect of health and safety generates a report, often using a different reporting system. These reports have actions to be carried out, and each action has to be scheduled and costed across different software for every site in your portfolio. Vision Pro replaces these separate systems with a single unified platform. Vision is a single place for all your data with a single password to access your whole portfolio to see what needs doing, schedule actions, and see in real time when it's been done. Let's take a look at what Vision Pro can do. Whether you're managing a single office building or a portfolio of mixed-use buildings spread across the country, Vision Pro makes it simple to keep on top of all your compliance obligations. Vision uses live dashboards to give a quick, simple overview of your management portfolio and can be customized so you can see at a glance exactly what you need to know. You can drill down to see detail on any aspect of your portfolio, including drawings and photos, documentation and certificates, even videos for any room or asset, all within Vision. Dashboards use red, amber, or green indicators to show which of your buildings, rooms, or individual assets are up to date, which ones are coming up for inspection, and which ones need immediate attention. From the dashboards, you can easily click through to see the status of inspections and the location of any issues. You can customize how you view your data, and Vision Pro can generate customized reports. Vision Pro works with the Vision mobile app to access data via QR codes, barcodes, and the Vision tag, making routine inspections and audits fast and efficient. Any contractor can be granted access via the app to see live data held in Vision Pro, and the system updates automatically to make sure you're always up to date. Vision Pro is totally secure, keeping all your details and data safe and eliminating the need for paperwork. It's intuitive and easy to use, making Vision Pro the only tool you need to ensure your compliance is always up to date and managed. Contact us today for a live demonstration and discover how Vision Pro can uncomplicate your compliance obligations.